Hello fams, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm P Natural Skincare, and if it's your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. And on this channel we talk a lot about skincare products, like skincare DIYs, skincare product review, and all you need to know about skincare. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your love, thank you for your support. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to clear or how to fade stretch mark, causes of stretch mark, type of stretch mark, and how to fade stretch mark. That's all we are going to be discussing in today's video. But I want you to know this: stretch mark are normal. There is nothing to be ashamed of. If you have stretch mark, there is nothing to be ashamed of. You get? So let's start with type of stretch mark. There are two types of stretch mark. We have the red stretch mark, which is also known as the fresh one, that is either red or purple in color. We have the white stretch mark, which is the old stretch mark, that is either white, and some people's own are dark. Some people's own are dark and some people's own are white. It depends on the one and how it is on your skin. And one thing about this stretch mark is that it has stages. It comes in stages. It doesn't just come once. It first of all appears in red or purple color. That's the fresh one, and that's the first stage. And at times you find out that it itches you when it's coming out. Like that period is about to come out, it itches. You get? It itches. For some people, I have been there before, so I know how it is. So I won't advise you to scratch it. Just try as much as you can to avoid scratching that area. I know it itches, like it itches. I've been there, so I talk with experience. So try as much as you can not to scratch that area. And another thing is that when it is red or purple, that's the perfect time to start the treatment, because once it enters the second stage, it will be very hard to clear off. You get? It will be very hard to clear off. So once it's in that first stage, that's the perfect time to start the treatment. And whatever treatment you are applying at that first stage on that area, it works faster and it gives it more time, and it opens for the product or any treatment you're going to use to penetrate fast into that area. You get? So when it is red or purple, that's the perfect time you are going to, or you will start your treatment. That's the perfect time, because once it enters the second stage, it will be very hard to clear off. Will it clear off? Yes, just that is going to take time and lots of products, and it's going to take lots of time, and we don't want that. So if your own has reached the second stage, if your own has been there for a long time, if your own is in that dark color, it's still not bad for you to start your treatment. It's not yet late. You get? But the earlier the better. So if your own is still in that early stage, like the red and the purple, it is better you start your treatment early. The earlier we start our treatment, the less product we use and the less time for the product to work. So now that we have talked about the type of stretch mark, let's talk about the causes of stretch mark. Stretch mark can be caused by a lot of things. It can be caused by weight gain, it can be caused by weight loss, it can be caused by pregnancy, and it can also be caused by puberty, and it can also be caused by usage of lightening cream and whitening cream. That's usage of bleaching products. These are the cause of stretch mark. So now that we have talked about the causes of stretch mark, let's talk about the treatment. How to treat stretch mark. But before we talk about the treatment, I want you to know one thing: you can't get rid of stretch mark completely. unless you go through some procedures like laser treatment and the rest. But you can fade your stretch mark gradually and prevent them from returning. You can make the color to blend into your skin that nobody will even know you have stretch mark. You get? But another tip is that do as much as you can not to scratch your stretch mark when it's itching you, to prevent it coming down fast. You get? So like this, we have talked about the causes and the type of stretch mark. Let's talk about the treatment. I'm going to give you routines to follow when treating your stretch mark, like the first step to the second step to the third step to the last step of when treating your stretch mark. So the first routine on our list is hydration. You need to be hydrated. You need to keep your skin hydrated. You need to hydrate your skin from inside. You get? Because you need to hydrate your skin, because hydration helps in the production of collagen, and collagen is one of the key when it comes to fading or stretch mark. So you need to hydrate your skin very well. This first tip is not hard. This is the easiest tip in our routine. You get? So do as much as you can to hydrate your skin and yourself. So let's talk about the second step. The second step is wash off. You can use any soap as your bathing soap, as long as it's a calm soap, as long as it is not harsh, as long as it's a moisturizing soap, then we can go for it. We have Nivea soap, we have Dove soap, we have baby soap. You get any calm soap of your choice, as far as it is not harsh. So now that we have talked about the first step, which is keeping your skin hydrated, and the second step, which is using a calm soap, let's talk about the third step, which is exfoliating. We all know the benefits of exfoliation. Exfoliating the skin helps to reduce the appearance of stretch mark. So exfoliating the skin helps in a really long way. It really helps in a long way, yes. So these are the benefits of exfoliating the skin. Exfoliating the skin helps to remove dead skin cells. So we need that cells in that area to be renewed to help the process of the treatment to be fast. And exfoliating the skin helps to boost collagen production. And like I said, collagen helps to get rid of stretch mark. It is one key that helps in fading of stretch mark. So you will want to exfoliate that area to help remove dead skin cells. You get? So we need to exfoliate this area to help remove dead skin cells, which will help to reduce the appearance of stretch mark. So when we come to this exfoliating, we don't even need harsh exfoliating products. You get? We just need a calm one, a simple exfoliating scrub, or you can go for a coffee scrub, any coffee scrub of your choice, because coffee really helps in fading of stretch mark. Coffee is an ingredient that helps in fading of stretch mark. So now that we have talked about exfoliating, and we have talked about the first step, keeping the skin hydrated, second one, to wash off with a calm soap, third one, we talked about exfoliating the area, let's talk about the next step, which is moisturizing the area. When it comes to moisturizing the area, we need a moisturizer. You need to seal in moisture in that area. You get? Because another tips on how to clear this stretch mark is to make use of retinol or tretinoin. Let's talk about this retinol and tretinoin process. It helps in fading of stretch mark. But if you are pregnant, I won't advise you to use a retinol or tretinoin product when treating your stretch mark. I won't advise you to do that, because it's not advisable for a pregnant woman to make use of it. But if you are not pregnant, then you can go with the retinol or the tretinoin product for treatment. Then when using regularly, it helps to reduce the appearance of stretch mark. Retinol helps to tighten the skin, that's to firm the skin. It helps to repair the skin barrier, which helps to clear stretch mark. But when using retinol or tretinoin, please always moisturize the area. Don't allow it to get dry. Don't allow it to dry off, because it will help the area to look more firm, and which will help you to see fast results. And when using this retinol or tretinoin, please do well as you can to massage the product properly into your skin and apply it on the area 2 hours before you go to bed, to prevent your bed taking in the product you applied. You want your skin to take in the product, not your bed. So do as much as you can to apply the retinol or tretinoin product few hours before you go to bed. So now that we have talked about the retinol, the tretinoin step, then this is when the moisturizer comes in. You get? You need to moisturize that area well. You need to apply a moisturizing product on that area. That's after applying the retinol or tretinoin, you go in with a moisturizer, because moisturizer helps to seal in the product you're applying in that area. That's to seal in the retinol or tretinoin in that area. When we talk about moisturizer, when we talk about moisturizer, you can go for CeraVe, Nivea, or any moisturizer you can lay your hands on. And also when it comes to this moisturizer, you can also go for hyaluronic acid. It helps in a lot of ways, because in treatment of stretch mark, your skin needs all the moisture it can get. And this is a moisturizing ingredient, and it is also a humectant. And the hyaluronic acid helps to repair the skin barrier. So another thing is that if you can lay your hands on it, you can go for glycerin. Glycerin is also a moisturizing ingredient, and it is also a humectant, which helps to trap in water in your skin. You get? So in this treatment, we need a lot of moisturizer or a lot of moisturizing products we can get our hands on. We need to keep the skin locked with moisturizing ingredients. Another step that can help you in clearing of this stretch mark is to apply oil on the affected area. When we talk about oil, we have oils like coconut oil, almond oil, which will help in moisturizing the skin. You can also go in with shea butter. You get shea butter, which helps to moisturize the area, which helps in fading of stretch mark too. So now I've given you tips like hydrating the skin, which is the first step. 2 is bathing or washing off with a calm soap, a soap that is not harsh on the skin. 3 is exfoliating the area. 4 is moisturizing the skin. 5th is making use of retinol or tretinoin, which will help to firm the skin and fade stretch mark. You get? And I've also given you tips on to apply oil on the area and making use of shea butter on the area. So with all these tips, it's going to help clear, and it's going to help in fading of stretch mark. You get? So with these tips, you can be able to fade and clear your stretch mark. So when treating stretch mark, you need to be consistent. You need to have patience, because consistent and patience help to clear the stretch mark, because being in a hurry won't help you to treat your stretch mark, because some might take months to clear, like 3, 4, 5 months to clear. So give it time for it to clear when using the product. So that is it for the treatment of stretch mark. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video and you like videos like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified anytime a video is being uploaded. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more skincare videos like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.